Let's quickly look at the ingredients required for the Rava Cheedai. Take a mixer jar, add 1 cup of roasted rava, then 2 teaspoons of desiccated coconut, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of pepper and grind it into a fine powder. Transfer this powder into a container. 1.5 teaspoon urad dal powder, 2 teaspoons of rice powder, some hing and salt. To this add 1 teaspoon of butter and mix well. Now we take some water required and knead the dough well. We can see how soft the dough is. It is now ready to be made into small balls or cheedais. Take an aluminium foil paper, smear it with little oil and also smear some oil on your hands also. Now start making the cheedais. Yes, the cheedais are now ready to be fried. Place a tawa over the gas and now slowly put the cheedai into the oil little by little. You can keep the flame low while putting the cheedais and slowly raise the flame of the gas. Keep frying the cheedais. You can see the color of the cheedais. They are light brown and ready to be taken out. The cheedais are now ready to be served. Hope you like this recipe. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.